Hi, I'm Phyllis Taylor. I'm the principal interior designer at Taylor & Taylor. And today we're going to be taking a little tour of a restaurant that we completed for the residents of the Gables Club. So come with me, let's take a look. Originally, this area did not have a little vestibule like this. So anyone who was coming to the restaurant and had dinner reservations would come to these doors and be in the space immediately at a table. And so what we did was we took a little bit of space from the bar area and created this vestibule so that guests can come and talk to a hostess or even pick up food that they might have ordered to go upstairs and eat in their homes. So I think this area was something that we had to imagine and kind of create a space for so that the rest of the restaurant would be a successful dining area. In a club dining room, most residents know each other. So when someone is eating at a table and another guest comes in, there's usually some interaction. What we wanted to do was have a little bit of a buffer, which we're using this planter, so that everybody can see who's in the dining room when they enter, but there is a feeling that you're a little bit enclosed and private while you're eating. Like most condominium buildings that are of this age, there's a mixture of demographics. We have people who have purchased here a while ago and others that are just coming in to Miami and making this area their home. And so we have retired people who have downsized from a private home, and we also have people who are younger families who are coming from the Northeast and are settling here and are maybe not wanting to live in a house. They're used to living in apartments or high-rise living where they come from. So what we wanted to do was make sure that we embraced both of those demographics and both of those age of families. And in this interior, what we tried to do was give it a lot of energy, but didn't overuse color, used a lot of texture. We had a center area bringing in some of the nature by having a large tree in the center, which I think gave this space a little bit of scale, which I didn't have before. Also, the use of things that are kind of memorable, that you know you're in this dining room, is why we've used these very unique light fixtures from Yellow Goat and put them throughout. So it really is almost a canopy and kind of gives an overall ceiling a little bit of privacy and interest in the different areas. One of the other things that we did that was, I think, very important was the flexibility for the diners. They had originally just set tables of 4s or 6. And what we did was incorporate one long banquette of seating. And by doing that, we're able to accommodate different size families and different size people who are gathering. And if somebody is meeting a friend, they can pull a table over. So I think the flexibility of having the long banquette was something that we added to this dining room that it didn't have before. I found it's very difficult to get a consensus on color when you're doing a project like this. And I think that everybody feels a little bit more comfortable with neutrals, but that could be very boring. And how do we give a dining room like this the intensity that it needs in order to have a good energy for dining? So what we've done is we've taken the neutral colorations. However, we've really done a very dynamic pattern of those neutrals in the carpet and going in different directions so that it really just subliminally gives the space a lot of energy that it really needed. When you're not using color, it's important to infuse the space with as much texture as you can. What we've done here is used a textured, tiled, three-dimensional wood paneling so that it wasn't just wood to give warmth, but it also gave a lot of interest in texture by uplighting it and getting the shadows and using everything that we could in the light to its best advantage. Another good reason not to use color in this dining room was because the colors of these two towers are already a very corally flamingo, strong, intense color that we're always having to be aware of as you see it out through the windows. Biophilic design is very important in any interior, especially in Florida, where we have such a lush appreciation for plantings on the exterior. In a restaurant like this, I thought it was really important to kind of almost use the plants and a tree feature so that it becomes a canopy and gives a little bit of privacy, as well as help with the acoustics of the room when diners are so close to each other. It was important to keep a little bit of screening for this room for a function. One is, this is the kitchen entrance and exit, and before it was just two doors with kitchen staff and service coming and going, which was a little bit distracting to the diners. And so we use this screen so that people can still sort of have an awareness of when they're working, where they're coming and going in the kitchen, but it really kind of keeps that whole traffic area out and away from diners. The other use we've used the screens in the front was just to give the space so that you kind of felt like you were leaving the club room and leaving the bar, and there was a transition space between that area and then entering the dining room. Essentially, much of this space is an inside space. And there is an outdoor dining area as well. And in order for the outside dining area and the inside dining area to sort of meld as one experience, we use the mirrors throughout. So it's just subliminally reflects the outside and in the interior wherever you are. In a club restaurant, it's very important that the homeowners are comfortable in their seating. And so having a chair designed specifically for them was very important. And the chair is not only designed for comfort, but it's also designed for wearability and cleanability. The banquettes were done locally from Ben Grafton, and he took measurements of many of the homeowners in his factory to make sure that the pitch was correct and the depth was correct. So there was a great deal of care that went into making sure that everyone was very satisfied with the end results of this restaurant.